guys, today I'm going to show you how I achieve this glueless look with this blue wig that I've had forever. So just keep watching if you want to tune in, but yeah, it's glueless. So continue to watch, but before you do, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other looks y'all want to see. Hi guys, today I'm going to try a glueless look with this blue wig that I've had forever and haven't done anything with. So, put this down. I'm gonna start off. Do I want to talk or do I want to do a voiceover? Voiceover. So right here, I'm just taking my Got to Be Free spray and pushing my edges back so they're all laid down. Gonna get my blow dryer on cool. Spray one more time with my stocking cap in place. So I'm going to try to take this Bold Hold lace tint and tint my lace. I thought I might like it better than makeup, but it ended up not doing really anything. So I ended up using makeup anyway. That's when I was like, yeah, no, this ain't working. So I went and got my Juvia's Place foundation, and I took a sponge and just put it all over the inside and a little bit on the outside around the hairline. And I I sprayed it with freeze spray, then blow dried it. Excuse me just talking throughout the video, even though I said I was going to do a voiceover. So I just put the wig on, and now I'm about to cut out around my ears so it'll lay flat when I tie it down. I'm just take my comb and put my middle part in the middle. Take my hot comb and lay it down. It wasn't really hot, but it was good enough. And hot comb the edges back as well. Now I'm going to take my scissors and cut my hairline. Usually I glue my lace, and usually I use an eyebrow razor, but I couldn't find my eyebrow razor now that I'm at home and not at the shop. So I just cut in a zigzag motion. Now I'm just parting out my baby hairs and my sideburns on each side and hot combing them down so they'll lay easier when I cut them. Now I'm just picking up where the hair is so that I don't burn myself, because it's so easy to burn yourself. Now I'm just gonna cut the baby hairs and the sideburns. You don't want to bluntly cut your sideburns. Now I'm putting mousse all over the hairline because you want it to stay in place. So I'm not using that to do my baby hairs, just to put it all over the hair. Now I'll take the mousse on my hand to do my baby hairs and put it on my sideburns too. That'll help the flat lay. So now I'm gonna take one of those black wraps. I only have the big one, so I'm gonna use a big one first, and then once I finally get it tied, I'm gonna take another one and fold it in half and then tie it around again. I should have clipped it up in the first place because I ended up tying my hair in the first one. And then I'm gonna take my elastic band and put it on top of that to help it melt down into the skin. I'm gonna blow dry it on high. I thought my blow dryer was on fire. It wasn't, so yeah. Now I'm just gonna struggle and try to pull the hair out that I accidentally tied up. Now I am going to wand it, and that's about it until the rest of the video. So I'll be quiet and let y'all enjoy until the end.